let's take a quick look at our opening positions. EA, that's good. We are long that at 90 cents. That's trading, what, 80? It's trading 80. That's fine. We have VIX, our VIX trade. VIX is actually up a little bit. That's going to be trading close to where we got in. We're in at 75. It's trading 65. NVIDIA, we have our exit out there. It's up a little bit. We are trying to get out of this thing at $2. It's trading $1.80. We are offered at $2. And then finally Roku. We are long that 72.75 call spread for 50 cents, and it is trading nearly 70. If it gets up to 80, I'm going to start looking at that. We have our alert set there in Roku. If we get up to 65 quarter, we probably will be looking at an exit there. It's trading 64.92 right now. All right, back to what is going on, which is a whole heck of a lot of nothing. So even less action than I thought we would have. SPY's falling out of bed. It's down a whopping 8 basis points. I wouldn't really get myself all worked up over that.